How can you stop having that big losing trade? Your equity curve, your account is growing really nicely, then suddenly that one trade that gives back all of the profits that you've made over the last month or so. It's painful, it's disappointing. What can I do to help you prevent you doing that again? Now, we just teamed up with Edgewonk here, which is a trading journal. I put £5,000 into a trading account, into a spread betting account, and in 14 days we're up to 11,473, a £6,400 profit so far. Okay, and look at this equity curve, because I see this all the time. I see that the equity curve is growing and suddenly a big spike down. That one trade that you just didn't follow the strategy, you didn't follow the rules, and it blew out all your money that you made previously. Now let me say, guys, every single trader I know, including myself, has done exactly the same thing. You're not a bad person. You're not a terrible trader. It's just at that moment, your behavior, your routine, something happened where you just had that red mist kicked in, an out-of-body experience which you've never had before, and you've just stayed in this trade and it's got worse and worse and worse. And so there's one thing I think you should ask yourself when you're trading, every single trade that you're in. I'm going to dive into that right now. And what you should be doing, guys, is asking yourself questions. And this question in particular: where am I wrong in this trade? If you ask yourself that, then you're likely to get out when you're wrong. Now, you don't like being wrong. Nobody likes being wrong. Nobody likes losing a trade, but you have to be wrong to preserve your account. Where could you be wrong on a chart? Let's dive into a chart and show you where you're wrong in a trade. So let's say, for argument's sake, I bought crude oil here on the green pro trading system, right in here at that time. I asked myself the question, where am I wrong in this trade? And the answer for me on this would be below here, below this swing low. When price goes below there, then I'm wrong. I need to take action and get out of the trade. As it continues up, I'll of course manage my risk and trail my stop and lock in my profits, scale in the trade maybe, and scale out of the trade maybe as well. But this zone here is where I'm wrong. Without hesitation, I'm out of the trade if it drops below there. It's an easy decision to make. And if you're wrong, that means you're preserving your capital and you're preserving your account if you're wrong, and you're wrong small. So ask yourself the question, guys, when you're putting a trade on next, and it might save you a serious amount of pain, let alone profit and money. Where are you wrong in this trade? If it dips below there, I'm out instantly. I've even got a stop placed in there as well. But if you're day trading and you're manually trading as it's going up, you're just managing the trade. If it dips below there, you're going to get out, okay? Now, if you can't trust yourself with that, then make sure you put a hard stop in. Put that in your broker so they get you out instantly if it drops below that area. And if you can do that, then you're going to preserve your capital, as I said. And when you get those big winning trades, then that's going to grow the account and your losing trades are going to be much smaller. It's an out-of-body experience that everyone has been through. Everything's going great and it comes out of nowhere. Bosh, you literally stay in a trade when you should be getting out of it, and you've just got that belief that it's going to turn around and be a winner, and it doesn't, and it's that trade that literally blows the account. You're only a commission or a spread in spread betting terms away from getting back into that trade. It's not a lot to ask for. It's not a lot of cost for you to get out and then get back in and only being charged the spread or the commission to get back in. Hope it helps, guys. Put comments down below. Have you had that big losing trade? How much did you grow your account by, and then bosh, that big losing trade kicks in and you blew all your account? Put some comments down below. We've all been there. Good luck with your trading. I hope it helps. ask yourself the question, where are you wrong?